Here's a 1976 Pontiac Trans Am, just in at Unique Specialty and Classics. Now, this particular car, as you'll see by the shaker hood there, it says 455 FYI. This engine has been replaced with a 400 V8 underneath the hood. That is paired with a 200 R4, so automatic transmission with overdrive. So this will be a nice car for cruising, going down the road in. Also equipped with power steering, power brakes underneath the hood with that 400. Now, the other thing about this, take a look at the underside. Nice clean underside on this car. Check out the engine bay, the interior. Still pictures. Tell you where to go find them. You can find them at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to the picture of this car, so you can look it over closely. Take your time looking through them, snoop it over. And if you got any questions, feel free to call to 507-386-1726. I would call this a nice driver quality paint. As you can see, it has a nice luster shine to it. It's not full of rock chips, dings, nicks, scratches. And you may find a few here and there, but overall, very nice paint. Like I said, when you check out those pictures, look at the underside too. It looks good when it was up on the hoist. As you can see, it's riding on the Pontiac rally style wheels. VF Goodrich radials. Inside this car, bucket seats, center console, automatic shift on the floor. Has had a JVC, I believe it was, Bluetooth capable radio installed in there. Some more modern radio, updated the interior. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available in the classics we sell. We can assist you with getting this car shipped to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Check with your sales associate when you call in or email us. I'll be happy to answer your questions. Of course, one with the gas fill underneath the license plate. The 400 in this car does have a mild cam to it. You'll hear it when we start it up. Nothing crazy or obnoxious. Just give it a nice rumble. Good sounding car. You can see up and down the sides also. Paint is free of a bunch of nicks, scrapes, scratches, or anything on this side. I did notice there was one little kind of imperfection. Whoop, I get it to show up right there. You can see it. But otherwise, pretty clean around this one. Let's check out this interior a little closer, fired up. Check out the engine bay. A little different speakers added in the kick panel there. Vinyl buckets. And again, nice shape, not full of nicks, rips, tears. And again, interior shot, seat pictures, they'll all be with the still pictures on our website. Now, easily at 400 starts, I would notice the clock worked. Tach appears to work. Gauges all looking like they're working fine. I did have the aftermarket stereo going a little earlier. Dash, good shape, not showing much signs of sun or wear. Flip around to the back of this. Nice deep throaty rumble. Like I said, you can tell it's got a little mild cam in there. It does have new mufflers on it also. That may not reflect in the still pictures. I think it had the mufflers put on it after the still pictures were taken, FYI. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second and let's pop this hood. Check how it looks underneath there. Alright, check out the engine bay. Like I said, power steering, power brakes. It's not a 455, it is a 400 to replace it. Chrome valve covers. Nice smooth running, good sounding engine. So if you're looking for a nice driver, 76 Pontiac Trans Am, 400 paired with a 200 R4 automatic transmission with overdrive. Nice sounding car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Again, still pictures. Look it over close. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it, probably the easiest way to get there. And of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you in getting this car to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you give us a call or email.